Hi, my name is Grace, and I'm a product manager at Gretel. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a Gretel workflow using our native MySQL connector. This workflow will read a database from a MySQL source, synthesize the database, and write the synthetic data to another MySQL destination database. To start, we're going to create our input and output connections. I like to edit my connection name to remind me what the connector is used for. The MySQL connectors take parameters username, password, hostname, port, and database. You can also include optional JDBC URL parameters for advanced configuration. Now that we've created our connectors, we're going to create a new workflow. Gretel workflows allow you to automate the generation of your synthetic data. You can choose the Gretel model or models that best fit your use case. Today, I'm going to use our synthetic ActGAN model. Now we choose our input data, and I'm going to use the MySQL input connector that we just defined. I can choose to keep my output data in the Gretel cloud or connect to an external data source. Again, I'll pick the MySQL output connection that we just created. You can also choose to run your workflow manually or schedule recurring runs. You might choose to schedule your workflow to run on a daily, weekly, monthly, or a more custom schedule. For now, I'll choose to run my workflow immediately, and I can always edit this later to set a schedule. Based on all of the inputs we just gave, Gretel automatically creates a workflow YAML config. This config has actions to read from our MySQL database, train and generate a synthetic database, and write that result back to MySQL. All I have to do is click Run. While the workflow is running, I can monitor its progress by looking at the Activity tab, which shows logs associated with each action. Right now, the MySQL read action is extracting the data from our source database. I can see it extracting the 5 tables in my telecom database. Once this is complete, the model will train and generate, and then write the synthetic output back to another MySQL database. We'll pause now and return once training and generation is complete. Model training and data generation have completed, and the synthetic database has been written to the MySQL destination source. We can switch over to look at our MySQL database to confirm that the output has been written correctly. This SQL query returns the first 100 records in our account database, showing that the synthesized data has been successfully written to our destination database.